Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's RFZ. So today what I'll be showing you is how to easily run your jailbreak on your PS4 using the PPW and go method. I believe this is the easiest method rather than the other method which we also use to jailbreak PS4 on 11.00. So today I actually have my laptop, my console, and if you take a look my Ethernet cable across my console, sorry, to my PC, and I have my screen. So what I'll do first is, as you can see on my laptop, I have my I have my PPWN Go version 2.8. So if I click on it, I'll see this. As you can see right there, I just name everything PS4 device, so it's easier for me to access. Let me just show you. It's on the desktop. As you can see there, it's easier for me to access. I'll just click on it. I'll go to this. Um, I'll go to this. Now the Go Hen bin is already being installed in my console, so I'll just need to run the jailbreak. But if you haven't done that, you can just go to, yeah, as you can see, Go Hen, PS4 Go Hen. You can just you scroll down to 11.00. You you can see here you have two versions. Actually, I downloaded these two versions separately. I just combined them. As you can see here, we have version 2.4b18 and the other one which has a point 2 at the end. So from here you can just take this to the root of your hard drive or maybe a flash drive and make sure it is formatted into FAT32 or exFAT. So if you have done that already, I will just go back, then I'll come down to PP PPPWN Go. I'll just run it or my PPPWN Go. As you can see right there, it's saying PS4 11.00 on my Go. So I'll go back to my monitor, my TV. Sorry, I'll go to setting. I'll hit setting, then go to network. As you can see over there. Or first of all, I'll just show you my system to show you that it's at 11.00. As you can see right there, 11.00. So I'll go to network. As you can see right there, I want to set up network connection. Although it is already been set up, I just want to show you how to do this again. So I'll hit setup. Use the LAN cable. That's what I'm actually using. But now I want to use easy. What I'll use is costume. So I'll hit on costume. We just wait a bit. So from there, I'll see automatic, manual, PPP, PPPoA. So I'll hit on it. As you can see right there, you just put in anything, your user ID and the password. So what you do next is just click on next and automatic do not use. So from there, as you can see right here, what I'll do is I'll just click on the go like that. Server. When it gets here, I'll go back to my PS4, my TV. I'll hit on test connection. Yes. So we wait for the magic to. So as you can see right there, my open IP successful. Now we are actually waiting for it to be done right there. So I'll just try to like share this part of this TV screen and the laptop screen because it is important. That is where we need to see our jailbreak. If it is okay, everything okay. As you can see right there, it's moving. It's moving. Boom. Down here you can see done. EPPWN Gohan 2. I would like you to use this particular Gohan. I won't like you to use the updated versions. For me, when I use the updated versions, usually happens is that my PS4 always crashes. I don't know, it just goes off, then comes back. I just try to put it back on. Then, as you can see right there, my games are all available except for this one, which is a CD. As you can see right there, I have my games all open, easy for me to do. Everything right, everything going smoothly. Let's check again. You can see down here, done. It's very easy. It's the easiest one. Okay, now I'll take you to the other one which I was talking about that I won't like you to use it. This so I think this no, not this one. This sorry, I just had to. Okay, this is it. PPPWNGUI. Yes, I would advise you to use this. Yes, I would advise you to use this one. Actually, at first, my console, I thought it wasn't going to accept jailbreak because I was using this thing, and every time I use this, it always crashes. Unfortunately for me, I had to go in search of another method on how to jailbreak. Unfortunately for me, I met this channel called, I think, Modern Warfare. Yeah, Modern Warfare. That guy is awesome. He actually posted a video which I used to, I followed his steps, and I successfully jailbreak my console myself because I was about to give it out to someone to do it. Then I paid the person, but fortunately it wasn't working for that person, so he brought it back, and I said no, I'm going to do it myself. So I had to go in for research, and boom, successfully I did it. So as you can see here, this is the method I'm talking about. This method is nice. I would advise you to use this. But the problem now is that if you go to this PPPPW and go, if you go back to GitHub that you want to download this, what you're going to get is the latest version of this. You're not going to be able to get the older version of this. And for that, I'm talking about I think, yeah, for a go ahead, you're going to get a version of the new latest version of this, not the older version. Um, I won't advise you to use this or this, although on some consoles it works successfully, but if you are facing like maybe you have scratches on your piece, your console, sorry, you definitely have to use the older version of this. And that I don't know how I can share it with you guys because that is what I am using. I can't update my PP window. Yeah, I can't update it. So thank you very much, guys. If you have any questions, anything, you can just write down in the comment section. Then we see on what to do about it. Thank you.